Hello guys, welcome to Mint Leaf Geeks. This is Sushma. Many of us use Facebook, like most of us actually use Facebook messaging app, and this allows us to post photos, videos, share the posts, comments, etc, etc, etc. We chat with our friends on day-to-day basis, and at times we delete some text and we try to recover them. Not only messages but also some comments, some posts, etc, etc. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can actually recover the deleted data from your Facebook. Open your Facebook and go to Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Now select Access Your Information and click on Download Your Information. You can see a list on the page, and this contains photos, comments, videos, posts, messages, etc, etc, etc. You got to select what all you wish to download and then request for the format in which you need the data. Here we have two options, HTML and JSON. And now tap on Create File. Once the file is created, you get a notification on your Facebook notification saying your Facebook data is ready to download. And to download this data, you need to enter your password first. In order to open this file, first you have to download ZArchivers app if you are an Android user, and iPhone users will have to download Documents Reveal. These apps are just like file managers, but quite an advanced version, I'd say. These apps can open any kind of file, and what we are going to open now is a zip file. Once you open the file on your smartphone, you can now see all your information that is present on Facebook, like calls, messages, about, etc, etc. So that's it guys, this is about how you can actually recover your deleted messages, comments, photos, etc, etc, etc. And do let me know if you guys know any tricks and tips in the comment section below, and hit this video a thumbs up.